Hi everyone! If you guessed that we are going to be painting with our bison today, you are absolutely correct. We are out here at the bison exhibit, and before we get started painting, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our herd and about bison in general. So we have 4 bison in our herd here at the Pueblo Zoo. We have 3 males and 1 female. So our largest male, who is a specimen of the bison species, is Cody. He's absolutely beautiful. And then we have CJ, who's our next largest, Sid, our 3rd largest male, and then our female, Ginger. So they are actually the largest animals that we have here at the Pueblo Zoo, and even more impressive, they're actually the largest land-dwelling or terrestrial animal that we have in North America. So we're pretty lucky we get to work with these guys. Another reason that we're lucky we get to work with them is because not so long ago they were almost extinct. So we brought them back from the brink of extinction by breeding them in facilities like ours, reintroducing them to their natural habitat, and protecting that natural habitat. So that's predominantly Yellowstone National Park and a couple of other areas where bison live. And Yellowstone National Park is really perfect for them. They've got lots of room and lots of grass. They could do the one thing they love more than anything, which is foraging. They are herbivores. They spend most of their day kind of just walking around eating food. So their enrichment is often based on that goal. We try to simulate that natural behavior. We'll spread their food all around the exhibit, or put it in a new container they're not used to, or give them a completely new food they've never had before, so they kind of have to walk around the exhibit and look for food just like they would in the wild. Today's enrichment is not going to be that. It's going to be something that they would not do in the wild. It's going to be painting. Even though they wouldn't do it in the wild, it's still very enriching to them. There's a tactile part of it is a tactile or a physical enrichment, so we're going to be putting paint on their nose, we're going to be touching them. That's not something they do every day. They're also going to be socially enriched, so we're interacting with them a lot more closely than we do when we're just feeding, training, or cleaning. We're going to be with them for a little longer. And then finally they're going to get treats, so their tummy's going to be enriched. So we are going to paint with Sid. You have probably noticed that he has a keeper's hand in his mouth. Sid was hand raised and bottle fed. And he just finds it very comforting to suck on a hand, and it actually makes it kind of easy to paint with him because he just wants to hang out here. So we are going to give painting with Sid a shot. It's not always super graceful, and it doesn't always come out perfectly, but we're going to give it a shot and see if Mr. Sid would like to paint with us. Sid, touch. It's a multi-person process. You'll also notice that they might lick the paint off. It's completely non-toxic, and because something that they're not familiar with is on their nose, they're gonna tend to lick it. So as you can see, it's not, 100% perfect, but Sid tried his best.
Just 1 second. Come on, Sid. Put your head through.
So as you can see, he's really a willing participant. Like I said, it's not always beautiful, but he seems to be enjoying himself, and we have a fabulous nose print there.
Good job.
So we're going to continue painting a little bit. We appreciate you stopping in to say hi to us. Thank you very much. Have a great day.